Hey guys, welcome to another Gauging Gadgets review video. In this video, we have a pair of active noise canceling headphones from Ausdom. These are the ANC8s. They're currently around $38 on Amazon, so check the link in the description. As I said, they feature active noise canceling, so we'll be testing that out. They also have 18 hours of battery life and include a really nice carrying case. So let's go ahead and open them up and check them out. They come in a nice cardboard box, and I like that because you can recycle it. Real quick before we get this open, I just want to thank Ausdom for sending me these headphones so I could test them out. Thank you very much. As you can see, very nice carrying case, lots of protection. This is very stiff. You do have a nice Ausdom logo on the front, and it looks like we can just unzip it right here to reveal the headphones. Ooh, very nice looking. I like that they fold down. So it looks like in the case we have an auxiliary cable, actually a pretty long one, and this can be used if you don't have any Bluetooth or if the headphones run out of battery. So I think this is also useful if you're on a plane and you're just watching a movie on the plane. You can plug this in real quick, and the cable is nice and long, so it'll make that easier. Pretty large user's manual. And then we have a charging cable, which is standard USB to micro USB. And again, this can be used when you're on the plane if it does run out of batteries to charge it. So we'll take the headphones out here and get a closer look. And my first impressions are that these are very robust. It is nice that they fold down so they're flat, very easy to get it into a thinner case. But as you can see, the earmuffs here are very thick. It does look like these will go all the way around your ear, so you're not going to have any pressure applied to your earlobes, which can be a problem if you've been wearing them for a long time. So hopefully these will be able to be worn for very long times, such as long flights, things like that. And I keep referencing flying because, in my opinion, noise canceling headphones make the whole experience so much better. They really cancel out all the noise from the plane. So as you can see, on both sides of the headphones, we have a nice Ausdom logo. The two colors here are very nice, kind of a lighter gray, and the headphones are not really a black. They're more of a metallic black, or maybe kind of like a little bit of a gray color. So it's very cool looking, it's pretty reflective, and they do look very nice. As you can see with the headband here, it's wrapped completely with leather, and it's also cushioned throughout the entire thing. So that should also be soft as well. Now both sides of the headphones do adjust to be a little bit larger if you have a larger head or hair, or you're wearing a hat, so that it can accommodate for that. As you can see, it gets very large. Kind of impressed with the joints here. There's no cracking noises. It doesn't feel like it's falling apart or breaking. It feels very strong. As you can see, it can bend it. No issues there with any of the joints. And as you can see here, there are individual joints on each earmuff that allow it to flex and kind of adapt to your head. So on the right earmuff here, we have the power button, we have the microphone hole, then an LED. And this will tell you if the headphones are pairing or connected. You also have the charging port, which is micro USB, and then you have two plus and minus buttons. These will be used for controlling the volume as well as changing track on the headphones. On the left earmuff, we have the auxiliary port in, which can be used if the headphones die or if you don't want to use Bluetooth for some reason. And then we also have the active noise canceling switch. So if you turn this on, this will turn on active noise canceling, which is pretty cool because active noise canceling will use the battery. So if you want to conserve the battery, you don't need the active noise canceling. You can still use these headphones to listen to music or podcast without that. And if you do need it for some reason, you just flip it on. There's a nice blue indicator light letting you know that it is on, so you don't leave it on, and then return to headphones with a dead battery. So my first impressions, good looking headphones, very robust feeling, big cushions, and I like the buttons here. They seem very easy to navigate and to touch. Let's go ahead and get them turned on. We'll get them connected to my phone, and then I'll try them out. We'll also do a microphone test. So to put them in pairing mode, I'm just going to hold down the power button until the light here flashes blue and red. Alright, so it's in pairing mode. They come up on my phone as Ausdom ANC8. And we're connected, and as you can see, the battery was 80% charged when I got them. Alright, so as you can see, I'm wearing the Ausdom ANC8, and all the audio you're currently hearing is coming through the microphones on the headphones. So you get an idea of what it sounds like if you're going to be placing calls with these headphones or recording audio with them. Overall, they're extremely comfortable. Earmuffs fit greatly in my ears, so there's no pressure being applied to my earlobes at all. The headband is also very soft, and I have it adjusted just a little bit, so it's a little bit larger, so it fits on my head. But overall, very comfortable. I could see wearing these for a long time with no issue. So as you just heard, the microphone in the Ausdom is not really that bad. It's better than a lot of other headsets, especially the over-the-ear headphones. Usually the microphone's not too great on those, but this was actually very usable, and I think if you're on a call, people are going to be able to understand what you're saying. I think they would definitely be able to tell that you're talking through a headset, but they'd be able to understand you, and that's the most important thing. So through my testing of the Ausdom ANC8, Overall, I'm very impressed with these headphones. They're extremely comfortable. I wore them for a couple hours while playing some games and also just doing things around the house, and there was no discomfort at all. They were very tight on my head so they weren't falling off when I was bending over or moving at all. Just a great experience overall from the feeling and the way that they fit on your head. The audio quality is also really good. When I was listening to music, I found it to be extremely enjoyable. I was able to pick up very small details that are in the songs that I really couldn't hear before through a speaker. It does have good bass, and it's not too loud where there's distortion or it's drowning out the rest of the music. It just is an overall very good listening experience that I found enjoyable. The noise canceling right here does work, and I do like this blue LED that lets you know it is on so that you don't leave it on. But you need to understand exactly what noise canceling is. So if you're wearing these and trying to study, it's not going to drown out your dog barking, it's not going to drown out cars driving by. What it's really going to cancel out is any kind of like background noises like a fan, water running, these little very small subtle noises. That's why I say that these are perfect for when you're on a plane, because there can be a lot of wind noise and engine noise, and these will be great for that. But if you're trying to not hear sounds from your neighbors or TV or anything like that, it's not going to work for you. So that's just something important to know. The noise canceling on these does work as expected. It works just like any other noise canceling headset I have used in the past, so no problems with that at all. Another thing about these, because the earmuffs are so thick and they do go around your ear, there's not a lot of sound leakage. People aren't going to be able to really hear what you're listening to, and you can also use them in a quiet environment such as like a library or something like that. Overall, with the sound quality and how comfortable these are, including the carrying case, and then you have the noise canceling, I would say these are a buy. I would definitely recommend these headphones. If you have any questions about the Ausdom ANC8 noise canceling headphones, leave a comment below. I'll get back to you as soon as I can. I'm going to add an Amazon affiliate link to the description below so you can find these exact headphones on Amazon. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up, and please consider subscribing to my channel, Gauging Gadgets, for more gadget reviews and tech tutorials. Thank you so much for watching.